The Maxi-Cosi Luna is suitable for children from 6 months to approximately 8 years of age, or until their shoulder reaches the upper height marker. The Luna features our world-first adjustable headrest with Air Protect. The Luna features 2 recline positions. Before installing, adjust the crotch buckle to the correct depth and height. There is no need for rethreading the harness like other brands. Please refer to your instruction manual for installation instructions and warranty information. Position your Luna on the vehicle seat. Choose your recline position. Select your buckle height and crotch depth by using our no rethread harness system. Fully lengthen the seatbelt and follow the easy seatbelt path. Engage the buckle and wait until you hear a click. Release the seatbelt and push down on your seat to remove any slack. To adjust the harness for your child, ensure that the straps are closest to your child's shoulders, but not more than 25mm below your child's shoulders. Your headrest should be positioned just above your child's shoulders. The top tether must be installed. If required, lengthen your top tether strap for more room. Connect your top tether strap. Make sure that any twists are removed and tighten the adjustable strap. Do not over-tighten. Remember to check your manual for more instructions and handy tips. For more information, please visit our website